are some simple and creative recycled planter ideas for your garden backyard. Clean and paint old tin cans to create colorful planters. Drill a few holes at the bottom for drainage, fill them with soil and plant herbs or small flowers. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. So if you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the like on this video, share to your friends, family members. Cut plastic bottles in half, paint them and use them as hanging planters. You can also cut the sides and create vertical gardens by attaching them to wall or fence. Attach mason jars to a wooden boards and mount it to the wall to create a vertical herb garden. This is perfect for growing kitchen herbs like basil, thyme and parsley. Repurpose an old shoe organizer by filling the box with a soil and planting small plants. Hang it on a fence or wall for vertical garden. Tires in bright colors or stick them to create tire planters. Fill them with soil and plant a variety of flowers or even vegetables. Old teapots and teacups as charming planters for small succulents or flowers. These can add a visual touch to your garden. Convert a wooden pallet into a vertical garden by filling the gaps with soil and planting flowers, herbs or even strawberries. So please like the video. Convert a wooden pallet in vertical garden by filling the gaps with a repurposed old drawers from a reservoir by planting them and stocking them at an angle. Use old colodars as planter. The holes provide excellent drainage and they can be easily hung from a porch or tree. These ideas not only add a unique touch to your garden but also promote sustainability by reusing items that might otherwise be discarded. So don't forget like share subscribe for more these garden best beautiful decorative ideas. If you like these ideas, like the video, click the subscribe, press the like on this video, share to your friends.